Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Man, you will not believe the one we got today. We're gonna do tiger sauce chicken skewers. Oh my gosh. The combination of tiger sauce and Uncle Steve shake, unreal. We're gonna do it on the Weber kettle. It's easy, it takes almost no effort at all, and we're gonna show you how to do it. So, hang tight. Okay, so what I have here is boneless, skinless chicken breasts, okay? And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and cut any of the excess fat off the end. But we're gonna cook these, so it's not like I'm saving them to do jerky or anything like that. All right, I'm gonna take it and turn it long ways, and I'm gonna cut it into about 1-inch strips, okay? And that's 1, 2, 3, and a couple of little pieces I got out of that. So let's just keep going. Again, 1-inch strips. That's gonna be some nice. Like what I like. All right, let's see. That one's got big fat to it. I'm just gonna take a sharp knife, sure helps, and just whisk that off, and then cut her into strips. All right, I got some more to cut up. Let me get this cut up and I'll bring you back. Okay, all right, 1 gallon Ziploc. I'm gonna take and put all this chicken that we cut up. Now, actually, that was a great big pack of chicken, and it's just my wife and I tonight, so I have only cut up half of this and put in this Ziploc bag. All right, now, for marinade, you probably already have an idea from the title. This is tiger sauce, okay? I use it for a lot of stuff. This is a sweet heat. You can pretty much use on anything. This is the small bottle, and I'm gonna take the entire bottle and dump it in with these chicken strips and seal it back up, and I'm gonna mix it. And see, that little bottle was just perfect for that size. All right, now I'm gonna take this Ziploc, I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 hours and let it marinate. And after I let it marinate, I'll bring you back. Okay, well, let's start putting this chicken on the skewer. Now what I'm doing is I'm just running it down the middle here, just like this. And I think I can probably get 2 on each skewer. There we go. So let's keep at it here. We'll just keep running this chicken on the skewers, just like this. Now, I'm not weaving in and out. I'm just going down the middle of this. If you got shorter pieces than this, you may have to do more than a couple. But these 1-inch strips I've found do pretty good. See, just makes little flat, little pieces. They lay down on the grill good. Now, if you end up with a few that are shorter than that, it's okay. It just add what you need. If you need 3 pieces, do 3. Whatever you need to fill up your skewer. But so far, these are doing pretty good. Now, let me skewer up the rest of these, and I'll bring you back. Okay, we got them skewered up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 skewers. All right, so I've marinated them, and next, you know it's got to come in here somewhere. I'm gonna use Gator Shake. This is Uncle Steve Shake, www.unclesteveshake.com. Tell Uncle Steve I sent you. He'll hook you up. You won't believe such a value. This is good stuff. Not much you can't use Gator Shake on. All right, I'm giving it a decent dusting, not really heavy. There we go. Now I'm gonna let this hang out for a minute. Let my grill get ready, and then we'll go to the grill. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take with our little Weber open, and we're gonna set these right over the direct heat. Now if you notice they have a flat side, and we're setting the flat side down, and this is a grill full without a doubt. There we go. All right, now here's what I want. I want to see a little bit of charring on the other side as they cook. So let's let them cook, and as I turn them, I'll bring you back. Okay, fire's getting a little hot, so I tell you what, let's do. Let's just take and flip these over like this, and see we're already starting to get a little char on that side. And I'm gonna tell you, even though I've wet these down, these are getting hot, hot. So let's take and get a little help. We'll turn them over like this. Trust me, this is hot. All right, and I'm gonna put the cover over it, keep it from getting too hot, and we'll bring you back. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. Look at that char. That's what I'm looking for right there. A little bit of char. I don't want to burn them up, but I want just a little bit of char on each side. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Isn't that pretty? Put the top back on. Let them go another couple of minutes. All right, Another couple of minutes. Let's see where we are. Yep. All right. These that have been over the hot part got a good little taste of char on both sides here. Let's put that one back and let him do his thing. That one does, and that one needs to. Let's see. Yep. Look at there. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. All right. Closing back up. Summertime grilling. I love it. Okay. See what we got here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Get a little bit of char right here. Just pile those up right there. That'd be fine. Let those go another minute or two, right over direct heat. That's called grilling. Okay, well, let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, look how pretty that is. Golly. Grilling, summertime grilling. I love it. I don't know what else to say, but I do love it. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a little more tiger sauce. A little more tiger sauce. And we're gonna pour it over the top of this. And we're just gonna brush it down for some glaze. And we're going to put the top back over it. Let it go for another 2 or 3 minutes and take it off. When we do, I'll bring you back. Okay, well, we've let this go about 4 minutes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Is that gorgeous? Look at that. Let me get this brush out of the way. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this chicken. Good stuff, good stuff. That side's hot, I know that. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, that's gonna be some good eating. All right, we're gonna take it over to the table and we'll show you that bite. The taste test is next. Okay, well, here it is. Ha! That look good. Oh man. Nothing left to do. Dive in. You like chicken? Let's do it again. That tiger sauce, oh my goodness. Gator shake with it, perfect. Uncle Steve's got it. You got something for everything. Well, I don't know what to tell you, except thanks for hanging around. If you haven't already, hit the circle over here. I'll have another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.